My name is Yang. I'm the lead data scientist in the Virtual Engineering Center. Most of the time, we work on the data-driven projects. It could be the data from all different fields like industry, manufacturing, healthcare. So today, we brought an informative twin of our office, which is a kind of used for display and monitoring the live data, the sensor data we distributed in our office back in Duxbury. The backend is IoT platform we built in the office. So we have distributed different sensors in the office. You can see you got the lightings, then you got the temperature, and you got the kind of occupancy. So everything's live stream. You see there's animation. So this is a little bit, it's designed a little bit like, so when you see someone taking over, you can see the people, you can see that song. When the seats are available, the lights was off. So it's a little bit like, works for the hybrid working system. You know, before you're going to the office, you can check up how many desks are available there.